I still remember your number, can say those digits by heart. With that first drink of the summer, I think about where you are. I dialed 235, are you alive? How I miss our late night drives in 4-6. How is it? In my mind I flip a switch and 7-2, forgetting you is something I can't seem to do. Even though we were just kids, I close my eyes, I'm waiting for the lightning strike to knock me back to 2005, before you took that cross-country flight, before we said goodbye.
Let's go, Esther. She's always running late. Hey guys, we're in far North Queensland and it happens to be Esther's birthday and we have got a few surprises for her. Let's go. And in far North Queensland there's two amazing ways to see it. And one is from up here and the other one is down there.
Somewhere unseen, it got a little longer, so it seems. I burned out, so to speak. Now come a little closer. I feel a little light in the light track. I felt a bit of bad, but I came back. There's still a little light in the light crack. There's still a bit of good, so good. And I know just what to say. And I know just what to do. And I'm so sick of pain, but it's all too quick with you.
Wow, how amazing was North Queensland? Did you have fun?
I had a ball. It was a great time.
What was your favourite part about the trip?
Bike ride. The helicopter flight was amazing, but I was petrified. So more bike riding when I'm in more control. It was good fun.
Yeah, we did some amazing things up here, and really it was just the tip of the iceberg of what you can do in North Queensland. It's an incredible place. If you love Bali, the tropics, Vanuatu, Fiji, and you can't get out to those places, explore Australia. Get up here and have a look at everything that North Queensland can offer you, because it's an incredible, amazing part of our country, and we've had the most amazing trip, haven't we?
Best birthday. It's been good.
It was. It's been an incredible trip. We'll leave all the links that we've, all of the places that we've visited, stayed at and stuff. I'll put in the description of the video if you ever come up in this part of the world and enjoy what has been an incredible holiday. And the boys have just told me the Esther Louise is filled up and ready to go. So you ready to go home?
Yep, off we pop.
All right. Until next time. Ciao.